Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Faye, and over there is Tangaro, and I've got Kina here, guys. So I'm going to make us some toast. I don't know if he wants any, but I feel like Kina on toast. So I'm going to make me a couple of toast. Laura, you want some toast?
Yes, please.
Okay, he wants some toast because he said, yes, please. Anyway, I'm going to make us some toast. I just finished washing my hands and I got wholemeal toast. So I'm going to put it on in the toaster. So I have my 2 toast, guys, and my Aussie Kina. No. Far out. Nah, next time I'm going to say, is that Aussie Kina? And they go, yes. I'll go, okay, keep walking till I find me a New Zealand Kina. Wait for breakfast to have this. I'm still going to have it. Okay? So, I'm going to put some on toast. Anyway, guys, I just did my prayer. So, take a bite. It's alright. It's bearable. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. So, I've asked my husband to shower the Paua. He's never showered one before. I think he's going to need it because it might be a bit too hard for his hands, you know. So I've asked him to shell it for me, and then I'm going to like cut it up and fry it. Like my childhood memory when my mom used to cut it up, and I used to, actually it's not really cut up, it was just like a couple of slices and then, mister, wait, and cut a couple of slices and then I'll flour it and fry it. That's what I want. Anyway, here's my honey bunny. He's going to shell it. He's going to try and shell it. Remember there's an eye in there or something. Here you go. There. Ta-da!
Good morning, everybody. I haven't done this before, but I've seen people do it, and it looks easy. But see how it goes. Yeah, there's the Paua, and over here there's a muscle that holds the Paua to the shell. So if you dig your hand underneath here and slowly, see, did you hear that sound? The Paua is loose. That muscle came off the shell. And
it's the Paua, not muscle.
Oh, sorry, the muscle. In the back here, the row. So you just put your thumb between the row and that muscle you release from the shell. Just push it back a bit. There you go. Now your Paua is off. And then the row is still in here. And then you gotta look for the teeth. If you stick your hand into it, some people they put a V into the teeth, but there's the teeth. That's it. Yeah, that's the row.
Eat it right now, Daddy.
Esse alofa. I can't wait to eat it.
Well, who said you're having some?
Hey.
I told you to shell it, not ask for some.
Anyway, this is my favorite.
Yeah, he went and got more mussels. Oh, give them a close-up, darling.
We were at Countdown yesterday, they didn't have any. So we ran back this morning. They say they have some fresh ones. So that's how fresh it is.
Okay, guys. So now that Elvis has done this is a bit chewy. This in the middle. So some people, you know, they get a hard rolling pin or something and they beat it. But I remember my mama, she said you can put hot water in it, so leave it for a little bit and it will just tenderize it. So I'm going to use the hot water method so I don't have to, you know, beat it up with the stick. Yeah, this is fairly hot because I just made myself a coffee. Okay. Ooh, look at that. It's kind of moving, but it's not moving, but yeah, so you just tenderize it like that, or yeah. So I tip out the water. Now I want to slice it. Slice it up. This is so good that we can get Paua at that place called Food Bazaar. No, it's called Seafood Bazaar, not Food Bazaar. Yep, and there it is, the slices. So how many slices did I get out of that one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that means 4 for me and 2 for Tangaroa. Yeah, so I just want to put a little bit of flour, not too much because it's not that many. I just want to season this flour. Paua will be salty already, so you don't really need salt. It's fairly hot, but it's not, you know, like sizzling hot. So I'll just put it in the oil now so it can start cooking. I'm gonna just chuck in my onions, put it on that side, so the onion can make the oils tasty, you know. Got last night's boil up that my husband did. Yeah, boil up the next day, it's always delicious. So I come and I warmed it, and now it's sitting there. Let's eat, guys. Cut me up some potatoes. Yeah, bye, guys. So good. Yummy. When I was a child, the dark bit on the edges, you know, that's my favorite bit because it was always the softest part of the Paua. Got all these onions. Yummy. My husband's sleeping. Well, you know what they say? You snooze, you lose. Yummy, 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 yummy. Black gold. Yummy, 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 yummy. 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 Yummy, 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 yummy. Y No, okay, good. My next thing, I bought these feijoas from, what is it, Foodworks? No, what is it, Daddy?
New World.
No,
Countdown.
Countdown is like Woolies. Okay, so, I think this is the biggest one inside this packet. It's ready to eat. Get a spoon and you turn it. Take a bite, guys. My childhood memories. Yum. You can actually save this and boil it real good. I saw someone make a jelly out of it. So this is from Food Town. So when I bought it, my sister-in-law said, "Look, at their property at Opotiki, they have a tree." So she went to Opotiki, returned back today, and she bought me some feijoas from her tree. Look at the difference, guys. It's like Arnold Schwarzenegger and Tony DeVito. Is it Tony DeVito? Yep. This is the difference. So this is, but this is not ripe yet. So the good thing about feijoas, you can just put it aside and eventually will ripen and get really sweet. I mean, come on now. It's naturally growing, and this is how massive they can get compared to these ones. Look at the difference. Land of the giants, little people. Land of the giants, little people. Tangaroa, me. Tangaroa, me. Look how big they are. Woo! Woo! My. Oh, man, it's so good here in New Zealand. You can get much more food choices and stuff like that. In Australia, I think they're selling, like a feijoa for $1.90 or $1.50. Yeah. If they were selling it $1.50 or $1.90 and it's this big, then you can understand and appreciate it. But to grow it but to sell it and it's this big for $1.50, see, stop it. Wow. I can't wait till these are ripe. Far out. See, this is how big the bag is. Look. Of these giant feijoas. Oh, when I was a child, the round ones I used to love. I don't know why, because I always thought it was much sweeter than these ones. But they were the same. But in my mind, the round ones were better. It had more meat in it too. What a blessing, eh? Thank you for hanging out with me, guys. Got some Paua, got some feijoas, and that's a blessing. That's a blessing. I hope you guys all take care. I have other things to show you guys because New Zealand have so much to offer. Not just their sheeps, many more things. And everyone in America that watches my channel, hello talofa. And everyone in Hawaii, hello talofa. And Fiji, hello talofa. And my friend Anderson in Brazil, hello, talofa, and everyone that watches my channel. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. Truly appreciate you guys. If it weren't for you guys, especially the good Lord that gives me the health and how to edit and stuff like that, that was credit to my daughter Geneva for showing me how to edit. But God always takes care of us, guys. Sometimes we go through hard times and we think that God is upset with us, but no, He's not. Just be patient. Always pray to thank God when you're doing good, and don't be worried to ask Him to help you when you're in time of need. And now I'm gonna go find a bowl and put all these feijoas in it and wait for it. I think it might be like a whole week and a half to 2 weeks. I think this. But far out. If she left it on the tree, how big would they get? I think they'll just fall off because it's heavy, yeah. Oh well. Thanks for hanging out, guys. Take care. Mwah.